SumDog is an online, personalized approach to learning geared to students ages 5 to 14. This is the teacher dashboard where you will be able to manage your students and class and also add additional teachers, which is very helpful when co-teaching and working in an ICR classroom setting. For the student dashboard, the overall key piece to the program is to include engaging skill and drill practices that build math fact fluency. So everything is really in the form of a game, but the students will be working on a specific standard that is personalized to them. So they will be able to choose from a variety of games to work on the specific skill. Solving questions correctly on the games will allow them to earn coins, which will help them to buy different pieces of clothing for their avatar, design a house, a garden, and even buy a pet. So very much like a video game to keep it engaging for the students. When the teacher first sets up their class, their students will be given a diagnostic test, which is an adaptive test geared to each individual student. The teacher will then be able to view the results of all of their students. So this is an example of Ashley's diagnostic result. She scored in the mid 6th grade range based on the questions that she answered. So this shows a breakdown by strand. So the number and operations category, this student got 14 out of 20 correct. This is a great piece of data for the teacher to assess all of their students. It also is what creates their personalized instruction on their video games. Another cool piece to SumDog is the ability to enter in friendly competition with a math contest. So this can be both through the county and nationally and regionally. A teacher can enter their class or specific students and compete for virtual rewards. Another great aspect is the ability to align all of the practices with your state standards, which is key to prepare for our state testing. So after clicking on the specific grade level, you can go to the standard that you are working with, and it will bring up specific questions to ensure that your students mastered the concepts. Another awesome piece to this site is the ability to specifically practice multiplication and fact times tables. So this is a vital piece to middle school and upper elementary school. So the teacher will be able to either assign to the entire class or specific students who may be struggling with a specific times table. They will set the challenge, and when the students log in to their dashboard, the challenge will be up, and again, it's in a video game form that allows them to earn coins for each question. The teacher will then be able to monitor the progress of the students and see where the students are excelling and who may need additional support.